In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a video using Kapwing. Now, Kapwing is a powerful online video editor that offers a range of tools for creating and sharing content. Whether you're working on a personal project or something more professional, sending or sharing your finished video is a crucial part of the process. So, let's dive into it. First off, you'll need to navigate to your Kapwing project. Once you have your project open, the first thing you want to do is head over to the Export Project option. This is generally located at the top right corner of the screen, so keep an eye out for it. Now, Kapwing offers both free and premium versions, and it's worth noting that during a free trial, there might be limitations on the exporting capabilities. But don't let that stress you out. There are still plenty of options available. Once you've managed to click on Export, you'll be prompted with a choice of formats. For most users, the MP4 format is the most versatile and widely compatible option, so that's what you'll likely want to choose. However, take a moment here to consider what suits your needs best. If you need higher quality or a specific format for different platforms, this is your chance to select it. After selecting MP4, you'll notice there are some additional settings you can tweak. These options allow you to adjust things like resolution and quality, and playing around with these settings will help ensure your video looks just the way you want it to when it reaches its audience. Once you've made your selections and you're happy with the settings, it's time to click the Share button. Kapwing allows you to share your video directly to social media platforms. Platforms like Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram can be linked directly for a hassle-free sharing experience. This is a fantastic feature for creators who want to streamline their workflow and get their content out into the world quickly and efficiently. If handling this aspect seems daunting, don't worry, it's a straightforward process. As long as you take it step by step and ensure each choice aligns with your goals for the video, you'll find it to be an easy and rewarding experience. To wrap things up, sending a video via Kapwing is a user-friendly process that doesn't require any advanced technical skills. It's all about understanding what options are available during export that fit your particular project. It's an intuitive process, and with a bit of practice, you'll be able to share your creations with confidence. Remember that practice makes perfect, and soon this process will be second nature to you.